ladies attending a session behind me. आप सोच के हैरान हो जाएंगे कि ये कोई नॉर्मल कोई एकेडमिक सेशन नहीं है या कोई ऐसा टॉपिक नहीं है, पेरेंटिंग सेशन नहीं है. दिस सेशन इज गोइंग ऑन फॉर अ बाइक राइडर्स, एस्पायरिंग बाइक riders, and all these women have come from different places to learn bike. Yes, even I have been here to know more about the biking. ऐसा मेरा एक्सपीरियंस रहेगा. डेफिनेटली आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर विद यू ऑल, एंड डू स्टे ट्यून्ड. ट्रैवल विद अंकिता. विमेन बाइक राइडर्स को ट्रेनिंग देने का जो आइडिया है वो लेट्स राइड जो है उनका है. ये इससे पहले गुड़गांव में अपना सेंटर खोल चुके हैं और साथ ही में हैदराबाद में भी ये कई सारे एस्पायरिंग विमेन बाइक राइडर्स को ट्रेनिंग दे चुके हैं. साथ ही में कोलकाता भी इनका एक सेंटर है, लेकिन नोएडा जो है ये पहला सेंटर है यहाँ पर इसका. एंड यानी दिल्ली एनसीआर में इसके अब 2 सेंटर हो गए. वन इज़ गुड़गांव एंड सेकेंड वन इज़ नोएडा. तो being based in Noida, that will definitely going to help many other aspiring women bike riders जो चाहते हैं बाइक सीखना और अभी तक सीख नहीं पाई थी. Probably I am going to one among them. I haven't learned scooty, so I don't know how to drive scooty. This is something new, but yes,
same here. पर आपको
अंदर से धुक भी हो रही है.
वो है एड्रेनलिन फैक्टर है.
Okay, so we have learned few tricks of the initial stage of biking on during this workshop. लेकिन सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग एक और बात है कि मेरे साथ यहाँ पर 2 विमेन बाइकर हैं, प्राची और अनीता, जो कि इस ग्रुप से जो है लेट्स राइड से हमारे साथ पहले से जुड़ी हैं. हाय अनीता एंड प्राची. ओके, सो मैं अपने आप को थोड़ा सा ऑफ रखूँगी कैमरा पे और प्राची और अनीता को मैं सामने रखूँगी. सो let's start. How it started, Prachi?
So I think it was there on my bucket list for a very long time, but lockdown के वक्त we were so locked in the house and I needed a hobby which had social distancing and yet that feeling of freedom and fun and liberation. So I saw this ad of Let's Ride on Insta and I decided to go and check it out, and I think it was the best decision of my life in at least last 1 year.
Oh, that's great. Anita, I have heard during the workshop session that you were a bit scared. आपको थोड़ा डर था because of the accident. फिर से डर नहीं लगा?
So yes, I met with an accident a long time ago, 4 years ago. So I had a fear of riding, and getting onto the bike once again was definitely not easy for me. But the team here was really supportive. They gave me all the techniques that I needed, and definitely I did not know those techniques when I used to ride earlier. So that confidence came back when I started going on breakfast rides and doing short rides. Eventually that confidence came back. Then I bought a bike 2 months ago and I ride a Royal Enfield Meteor. So today I'm a proud biker, and for me the motivation is Leh Ladakh. Whenever I see people riding towards Leh Ladakh or doing Spiti circuit, for me it's like, so I'm a big time travel lover. I go on mountains and like it's fun. So I want to add more fun to it. take my bike on the mountains and then go for this Leh Ladakh Kargil circuit and Spiti circuit, of course.
And definitely not as Pilin this time.
And what about you? What is your dream destination on
I
bike?
want to go to Leh for sure, that is there, but I also want to go to Mustang. It's in Nepal, it's almost same as Leh.
Yes.
But I had a group once and we went to Nepal and they went ahead doing that bike riding. So that is the bigger inspiration for me. But of course the next stop is Leh first, and I think we are pushing each other.
Yes,
to
we
ensure
are
that
pushing
happens.
each other, and in 2022 there's a plan for this academy to take us on all India ride. We will be doing it definitely, and all the participants from this academy will participate, and we hope to be two of those participants. Yeah.
I hope that even I learn, bike riding quickly and be a part of, any of the excursion on the bike. Let's see. Thank you so much, Prachi and Aarti, for being with us and inspiring other women,
Thank
to
you.
ride bike and fulfill their dreams.
Keep riding.
ओके जो अभी आपने थोड़ी देर पहले देखा था कि हमें ट्रेनिंग दे रहे थे, ट्रेनिंग सिखा रहे थे, दरअसल वो एक उस टीम में से एक शख्स हैं जो इस पूरे आइडिया के पीछे रहे हैं, लेट्स राइड के आइडिया के पीछे रहे हैं, कंसेप्ट के पीछे रहे हैं. हमारे साथ है कुलदीप. लेट्स नो समथिंग मोर अबाउट दिस आइडिया. हाय कुलदीप.
Hello, hi viewers, everyone. I'm excited to talk to you. So this whole idea we thought of like what should be the professional way, giving a platform where any girl, woman can, comfortably come and fulfill their dream. So the idea is known as Woman in Front, which itself says let's put women in front of the motorcycle, and whatever it takes to make happen, we are doing the same. So we are running the training academy. We are doing the free workshops to interact and answer the questions which so many participants may have about bike, height, weight and all that. These are mental blocks which we try to clear in our free workshop sessions, and we do conduct a proper 4-day, 12 hours training schedule, and I am very happy to announce we are start operating in Noida today itself.
या एंड एज कुलदीप इवन आई ट्राइड, और मैं थोड़ा घबरा गई थी जब एक मुझे ट्रायल दिया गया था. माई हैंड्स वर ट्रेम्बलिंग. लगता है कि मेरे जैसे भी जो कि शौक रखते हैं, जिनका सपना है बाइक चलाने का, वो आसानी से उसको पूरा कर पाएंगे.
I think you raise a right point. If we know the technique, see, technique is something which is built on mechanics or physics, and being an engineer by profession, we understand that training can be so easy and so useful even for a new person who never touched the bike. But if you know where to attack, what problem you have, directly solve that. It makes so many girls' dreams come true. Till today, they are riding the bike very comfortably. They understand the concepts by right technique, and you can check our Facebook, Insta and everything. Like, there are so many stories of the girls, and you will feel very excited to look at that.
Even I look forward, Kuldeep. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much. Thank you.
And I really look forward to learn new skills. And I hope if you stay in Noida or maybe East Delhi, which are connecting to Noida, Ghaziabad, anywhere, which is easily connecting, and you love and you have a passion to learn bike riding, then definitely you can be here and you can learn these skills. And I am sure एक बार जब बाइक पर बैठते हैं तो आप बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट फील करते हैं. वो कॉन्फिडेंस जो होता है वो बिल्कुल ही अलग किस्म का होता है. चलिए, इसी उम्मीद के साथ कि आप अपने नए एक्सपीरियंस और अपने नए कॉन्फिडेंस को हासिल करेंगे. यू स्टे ट्यून्ड, ट्रैवल विद अंकिता.